Hello everybody and welcome back to RainBro Crafts. My name is Colton and today I will be making for you a soap inspired by Lady Gaga and Beyoncé in their telephone music video. So if you want to see what that soap looks like, stay tuned. Alrighty, let's get this Beyoncé and Lady Gaga inspired soap started. Just like all of our other soaps, if you've seen any of our videos before, we are going to blend our lye water and some sodium lactate into our custom RainBro Crafts oil blend, which is down in the description box below for you to use if you are a soap maker. Definitely feel free to use that and tag us on Instagram with your creations. We'd love to see those. We will whip this up with the stick blender and then strain in our colloidal oatmeal and some extra water to offset what that kaolin clay takes out from the soap bar there. When we were picking our divas, we genuinely had a hard time narrowing it down. So this is a 2-month collection, which I mentioned in previous videos. And we would have been remiss to not have Beyoncé and Lady Gaga on here. And we thought, why not use their duet song Telephone as the inspiration for this design? And that also kind of guided the fragrance. So we picked one called Sanctuary, which is from a local soap and candle supplier called Shea & Company up in Portland, Oregon, or I guess down in Portland, Oregon from where we are. And it is a nice kind of herbal, kind of fresh, bright, and zingy fragrance blend that is really, really good. And then we also use that to inspire the design. So I was inspired by this picture here that I'll put in the corner. I was inspired by the kind of bright yellow and dark kind of pink color of Beyoncé and Lady Gaga's outfits and how they were kind of like flowing in the wind in this picture. So I did a really bright yellow. This, I believe, is called raincoat yellow or something along those lines. It is not quite neon, but it is very, very bright. The camera kind of doesn't even do it justice. And then for the dark pink color, this was a custom blend that I made of a couple different kind of pinky red colors that we had to embody the outfit in the picture as well. I wasn't sure how this fragrance was going to behave in the soap batter, and it behaved beautifully. I did kind of underblend all of the soap batters, not knowing what would happen to them. And after I added the colors, I decided instead of hand whisking, I would use our stick blender to just blitz those up. You do want to remember to do your lighter colors before your darker colors though. So I did the yellow color first before using that stick blender in the dark red color because I didn't want to make the yellow and orange basically. So that's why I did it in that order of operations. You will notice that the soap batter is still pretty loose, and that also was by design because I was doing some big drop swirls and I wanted them to be throughout the whole entire bar. Just big kind of globs of that pink and of that yellow. But we will scrape out that uncolored soap base first, and then I will go in with the yellow and I will just do big splashes of the soap batter front to back, kind of alternating. So I started in the front one line and then in the back with the other line, and then I did the reverse with that pink color because I wanted them to be very separate and very kind of contrasting. And then with the remainder of the soap batter, I just went in and drizzled it all over the top. I really like the design on the top that I ended up doing, but looking back at this footage, I wish I kind of would have kept the top this design because it's very fun. It's a little kind of Ronald McDonald colors, but I liked it. So I might have to do something similar to this, a nice kind of like drizzly abstract design. I did though have a plan in mind for the top, so I wanted to do that with this color blend here. And then for the top, I grabbed my chopstick there, and then I wanted to do diagonal feathering to do really kind of like fine, like a fine small feather design. So I am just going diagonal, side to side, very slowly, not going too deep into the soap batter because I don't want to mess up the nice big chunky drop swirls that are in the inside of the bar. But this isn't going to be the finished top design, because I also wanted to do something that I saw Clover Soapworks, who is a Portland soap maker, and I'll link their Instagram in the description box below. But they did a really cool, it's a pretty simple technique, but it's very effective, like a little S kind of serpent type design that I thought was very fitting for my inspiration photo, that album cover photo. So I just, again, went in very, very shallowly into this soap and did just kind of some little swizzles back and forth to make it even a little more chaotic and really kind of hypnotizing looking. And then that is it for the top of the soap. I will go ahead and clean up the sides a little because this made a little bit of a mess. And then I will spritz it with some rubbing alcohol, tuck this soap away for 24 hours, and then it is time to unmold and slice up. This angle, you can really see that really cool kind of S serpent type design and that pink and yellow contrasting color combination. And you know it's going to be a good drop swirl when you can see those big chunky colors on the bottom of the slab. That means that the colors went all the way down through the whole entire soap batter. And then we will just break up our soap slab using our slab splitter there. We have been toying around with, and it'll probably happen, but doing another volume of our Dazzling Divas, because after we made this month's soap, or the soap for April, we've already made all of them as of today, March 10th, but we came up with like a list of at least 6 more people to include on the list, so that'll probably happen later in the year. After June at least, so stay tuned for that, and definitely comment down below if we didn't get any of the divas that you think we should have gotten, and you might see them on our next divas collection. And there we go, we can see that beautiful drop swirl. That is exactly what I was going for. And once the soap batter kind of sets even more, that yellow color is even a little bit more separate from the white uncolored soap base, which is perfect. But that's exactly what I was going for. I was very happy when Zach sent me a picture of the sliced soap for this. I was at work when he sliced it up. But that is it. That is our Lady Gaga and Beyoncé inspired telephone, which will be for sale starting April 1st online or in person. So definitely snatch those up while you can, because they will sell out quickly. We want to give a big shout out to all of our subscribers, our foamy homies, our suddy buddies, and our big ol' flamers. They get candles of the month from us or soaps of the month from us. Check out our website for more details on how to join this very exclusive club. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite Dazzling Diva below, and also subscribe to the channel so you can see what RainBro Crafts comes up with next. Thanks. Bye.